welcome back to our channel How to Guide, where we post guide videos. In today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can change your username on Snapchat, and it's pretty simple. But before you change your username, I will give you a warning. You can only change your username once every year. So if you change your username now, you cannot change it for another year. And within that year, if somebody else uses your username, you cannot recover your old username back again, because a username has to be unique to you, alright? So you need to remember that, and if you're okay with that, then you can follow the step which I'm going to show you in order to change your username. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel How to Guide, hit the subscribe to our channel and let's move on. So first thing first, after you open Snapchat, you want to click on your profile picture at the top left corner of your screen. That's the first step, so do that, and then it's going to bring you to your Snapchat profile. Now once you're in your Snapchat profile, you want to click on the setting icon at the top right of your screen. Click on the setting icon. Now once you're in this place at the top where it says username, right below name, you can click on username. Now once you're inside username, your current username is going to be displayed. So my username is WitchyKevin69. So what you can see over here right below the username in the blue color, you can see the option called change username. You want to click on this option change username, and it's going to give you this warning over here. Your username can only be changed once a year and some other person can take it as well. So I'm okay with that, so I will click and continue. Now I can edit my username over here. So I'm just going to edit my username to WitchyKevin96, and it's checking if the username is available, and it is. Now if I click on next, it's going to ask me to enter the password of my Snapchat because it wants to verify if I'm the owner or not. So if I enter the password over here and click and confirm, and if the password is correct, my username should change on Snapchat. So that's how you guys can change your username on Snapchat. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, hit the subscribe to our channel How to Guide. I'll see you guys next time.